Yo, ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again to the night show. And of course, guess what? We have some wonderful guests in the house tonight. And I won't keep you waiting for too long because the first guest is that person you always want to see on your TV. I go by the name Mr. Incredible, the most wanted DJ, izybeatz. And now, right about now, I bring to you the most wanted also, Whiskey.
Yo, Whiskey in the building, huh? Shout out to DJ izybeatz.
Yeah,
oh,
yeah.
Where's Upyo?
Huh?
Upyo, woo, Upyo. Hey, show them.
Upyo in the building, special. Beshina Rambo when not grip blow in the building. Mona they go now don't finish. Mona they go. Yeah, in the building. I got my G.
Yo.
Wheezy. If you mess with Wheezy, you mess with us.
Yo.
Yeah, Upyo in the building. Hey, me Baba, something. In the
Nedu,
you do jump now. They try you. Hey, Jesus.
After a while they will collect towel and they drink water like say.
You go listen to makeup, my lion.
Hey, Jesus.
DJ izybeatz in the building.
Yes, sir.
This is called the blow English.
Leave him. I hear English. I say, yes, I say. Who they speak English? Good evening and welcome on top the night show. So, okay, don't forget, Opio and Whiskey there.
Yo,
you're welcome to the night show.
Yeah.
Opio in the building.
Hey.
Shino Rambo is not here.
No.
If they try to say I go take blow, you don't go to that church waiting for a cartoon. May they pray for Rambo, see whether I go feel blow.
No, you know say you go so blow.
No, Shino Rambo, my brother, if you not go to that church, Wheezy, if you not go to that church where they for a cartoon, Shino Rambo not go blow. Even
Baba.
the tie bomb for somebody not go blow. You know, they try to blow us, but they don't know where Shino Rambo.
Hey.
We don't blow.
Oh,
Yaga. And then, you know, the whole HKN gang, we're in the building.
Yes.
Coming through hard.
Plus YBNL.
Yeah, YBNL. So you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All your people that fighting my guy Wheezy, you fight me too. Auntie, you know you're safe. We're not going to call you.
That's what's up.
Yeah. Hey, but how that guy did it talk?
No, that's a voice. I don't know. No, how in the take they sing is the question.
They say get 1 3 where they for inside the Agua for Delta State. They say which people they do meeting there.
Who be then say who tell you this thing?
I see the picture for web. They say which people they do meeting there. They want try cut the tree. The tree not great cut them.
The people say when go try to cut the tree. They don't need to hear.
Caterpillar.
No, I don't blame them. They want you to give them one very strong profile. Who send you a message?
Before you go feel come out.
How you go carry caterpillar? Won't go come out that.
Then the one where happened yesterday, been there for yesterday.
Which one?
Nasarawa State House of Assembly.
Okay, Nedu, you follow see that thing?
When then they fight? I bet we get picture, I be video.
No, about that video na aba.
No, we'll not fish show. We'll not fish show the video.
Why?
We'll not fish show.
Okay.
We'll not fish show the video. My daddy beats your daddy.
It's a lie. Did you not see my daddy? He fall down, then come and get up again. Carry that thing and chase your daddy.
That was jumping up and down like a frog.
No.
My daddy is the one that carried that chair, want to hit your daddy.
My daddy is the one that carried that thing that is like sword and spear.
Why will your daddy is a fool?
My daddy is a fool. Then your daddy is an idiot. Hey, if you see that thing,
people vote for these people. Look.
Yes. Until waiting, they go first ask the question. Waiting happened, made them scatter like that. Until money, when they say some lawmakers collect bribe. See, people's fathers.
And if their children fight now, then go separate them. After argument, so sir, what do you think about the fight? No, I punch him. Now didn't you see me? I punch him in the face.
Then you show the video when him be the person with them punch.
But okay, now you are the punchy.
He said no matter what, there was a punching.
Anyway, the next one before I enter the show of today, and it's a one Cameroon man changed to cockroach.
Get stuck in the wheel.
He can't hook for motor. He can't hook for tire of motor.
How cockroach they hook for tire of motor?
See, he turned into cockroach. Then he can't hook for the wheel of the thing.
No, wait. You go turn into cockroach.
He want one turn back to normal.
That thing when they wear for in waist now waiting.
Now the wheel of the motor now. Tire where he turn to cockroach.
So the cockroach, as motor they move.
The motor now move. He did the wheel. He turn to cockroach. Go do what he do. So it be like say when he want can change back now. Now for the wheel he can go. So when he want can change. Pia like Voltron now. Kalisika.
Body no
way hook here. He can now not come and move again. So therefore, any cockroach you see in your house now, fire!
Fall and die.
Fall and die. Fall and die.
Eat the cockroach like
Mama,
your Karishika.
Mama, prayer. This calls for prayer. Mama, pray.
Cockroach, this is what we call cockroach prayer.
Mama, English prayer will not work for this.
Now, this is what we call cockroach prayer.
Cockroach prayer.
Cockroach prayer.
Cockroach prayer.
Close your eye. Get into the spirit. Enter your fighting mode. Stand and keep your hand akimbo.
Akimbo, no.
Separate your leg. And repeat after me. Say so. Any cockroach. Ready to talk color black, brown, white, or red. 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 Any cockroach. Ready. Talking if a faka yaka. I'll talk and if a faka yaka. Anything near my you do yanko. I'm a sister more for it all and all. I'm a sister more for it all and all. I'm a sister more for it all and all. Yanibon tip. Baba.
Every cockroach fallen, die. Every cockroach fallen, die. Every guy that has cockroach spirit moving from one man to another, fallen, die. Every boy that is moving from one bed with the spirit of cockroach, fallen, die. Every cockroach is identified from one, fallen, die.
For your tithe and prayer session, sent to Forward Ever Ministries.
Thank you, Forward Ever Ministries.
Yes.
We are taking prayers today.
Yes.
Meanwhile, we have a man of God in the studio.
Yes.
Now, all the hymn for the church, our Forward Ever Ministry.
Yes.
Now, they read the hymn. His name is Josh, Brother Josh.
Brother Josh. But you're Joshua in the Bible. He's the Joshua in spirit. And you do our guest.
So we say, maybe not be like say we they selfish.
You know,
people from our parish.
Yes.
Once in a while,
make them come.
They will come
and represent us.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
So we are going to go on break now.
Yes.
When we come back, we are going to take some hymns.
Yes.
Some hymn now from Brother Josh.
Yes.
Of what is the name of the church again?
Forward Ever Ministry.
Forward Ever Ministry.
Sacred Song and Sorrows.
We are coming back.
Yes.
Fall and die.
Yes.
Fall and die.
If you don't just enjoy the video, they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.